With the new Reflect integration, automation engineers can push automated tests and execution results directly into Qmetry, link them with existing manual test cases, and get a unified view of both manual and automation testing efforts in a single platform. To get started, the super administrator of Qmetry can enable this integration at an instance level. They can navigate to the general settings and audit and AI configurations and refer to the no code automation configuration using Reflect option. Once enabled, super administrators can also view the number of Reflect instances integrated with a single Qmetry instance, which indicates that Qmetry supports integrating multiple Reflect integration with a single instance. Once enabled in Qmetry, the Reflect administrators can now link their current instance with a Qmetry instance by navigating to settings, integrations, and referring to test case management option. Here's where they'll find Qmetry, where they need to click on edit settings or connect and then authorize themselves by entering the Qmetry URL organization code of Qmetry and the Open API key of Super Administrator. The Reflect admins can configure this project, release cycle, and platform so that execution results are captured with the right context in Qmetry. Once this integration is active, Reflect users can map the automated tests to the corresponding manual test cases in Qmetry. This helps in maintaining the traceability between automation and manual testing. Any updates made to the current test case in Reflect will create a new version of test case in Qmetry that ensures that change history is also preserved. We can verify this by quickly clicking on this test case link and referring to the test case that was associated in Qmetry. And this test case has two versions, one being the manual one and the automated version being denoted with Reflect icon. When tests are organized into a test suite and executed in Reflect, the execution results are automatically published to Qmetry once the execution is completed. Once the test execution is completed, we can quickly refer to the results captured in Qmetry by clicking on View Results in Qmetry option. This will lead you to Qmetry's execution screen, where the test suite summary is appended by the timestamp to uniquely identify the execution run. Now, within this run, this is how we'll be getting our test case and its relevant execution statuses. So with this integration, teams can seamlessly sync automation test and execution results from Reflect into Qmetry, giving them a complete and unified view of their testing efforts across both manual plus automation workflows.